Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download and install mods in Minecraft 1.21.5. So let's start. Following this step, surely you will do it. So first you have to install Java. So Minecraft mods often require Java to run. If you don't have it installed, download it from the official Java website. So for doing this, you have to go to Java official website and you have to click here on the first option that with Java, as you can see. Now download mod loader, so you have to choose a mod loader like Forge, Fabric, or NeoForge. These tools allow Minecraft to run mods, and you can find guides installing NeoForge or Fabric online, so you can follow this one. So now let's go to install the mod loader. So you have to download installer for your chosen mod loader. You have to run installer and select Minecraft version, that is 1.21.5. You have to ensure installation directory matches with your Minecraft folder. So when you do it, you have to download the mods. You have to visit those mod repositories like CurseForge or Modrind to find mods compatible with Minecraft. So now that you have it, download the mod files, and usually it's .jar files. Then you have to place mods in the mods folder. So you have to navigate to your Minecraft installation directory. So you have to locate or create a folder named mods, and then drag and drop the download mods files into this folder. So now the last thing is launch Minecraft. You have to open the Minecraft launcher and select the profile created by the mod loader and start the game and enjoy the mods. So that's how you can do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.